Here's how to clear cache on Instagram on iPhone in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On iPhone, Instagram doesn't have a direct clear cache button, but I'll show you the correct way to clear Instagram cache. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage to see all installed apps. Scroll down and tap Instagram. Here you'll see how much storage Instagram is using. To clear cache, tap Delete App. This removes cached data and app files. Open the App Store. Search for Instagram and reinstall the app. Open Instagram and log back into your account. The cache is now cleared. This can help fix Instagram lag, crashes, and storage issues. And that's it! You've successfully cleared Instagram cache on iPhone. Subscribe for more Instagram and iPhone tips.